Okay, welcome back. Okay, looks like there was some challenge. Somebody posted a virus link or something there, and the team has mistakenly clicked it. So sorry, it's clear. Please let me know if I'm audible. Yeah, and please participate. Go ahead and participate. Yeah, we are there on YouTube and on Facebook. Okay, fine. So I think we will continue. Okay, which of the following is not a characteristic of the limited liability company? Okay, now let's take a look at the options here. Look at the and any additional guarantees. Yes, a liability is limited to the extent of the investment and any other guarantees of the LLC. Okay, owners generally have limited personal liability for the debts and actions of the LLC. Yes, one of the main reasons why somebody forms an LLC is to make sure that they have unlimited they have this limited liability protection, and it is not unlimited, that it extends to their personal thing also. So the moment you read it as LLC, it's a limited liability company. Okay, so it offers you limited liability protection. And then it is formed under federal law. No, it is formed under a state law. Okay, LLC incorporated in a particular state. That's what it matters. Next one, LLC have operating agreements similar to corporate bylaws. Absolutely. LLCs, they have articles of organization, whereas corporations will have articles of incorporation. Now here LLC will have operating agreement, whereas corporations will have corporate bylaws. Okay, so here the right answer is C, and you deserve fine. Okay, moving on to the next question. Representation. Okay, welcome back. Fine, your time is up. Okay, a power of attorney is required when a taxpayer wants to authorize any individual to do the following. Okay, what following? Okay, so let's see. All of these choices Okay, what are all of these choices? First one, it says to represent the taxpayer at a conference with the IRS. Yes, I mean, power of attorney, basically it is to represent. Next one, to prepare and file a written response to the IRS. Yes. Next, to sign the offer or a waiver of restriction on assessment or collection of tax deficiency. Right. To sign the offer or a waiver of restriction on assessment or collection of tax deficiency. Perfect. All these three things are needed, and that's why a power of attorney comes into picture. Fine. Let's take up our next question. Yeah, here we go. Okay, welcome back. So let's see this question. Right. Joel, an enrolled agent, prepares Wilson's income tax return. Wilson gives Joel power of attorney. Accordingly, the IRS sends Wilson's $100 refund check to Joel's office. Wilson is very slow in paying his bills and owes Joel $500 for tax services. So Joel should I think we discussed this in the class also. So there is an enrolled agent who is preparing the tax return, and he has given power of attorney to the enrolled agent. Now that client owes Joel already $500 for the tax services, but Wilson got a check. Joel got a check of $100, which is refund on filing Wilson's tax return. Now what should Joel be doing? Okay, let's take a look at the options here. Let's take a look. First one, get Wilson's written authorization to endorse the check, cash the check, and reduce the amount Wilson owes him to $400. No, you are not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to endorse the check, cash the check. I think we have written that so many times. Next, turn the check directly over to Wilson. That's the best thing to do. Next one, use Wilson's check as collateral for a $100 loan to tide him over until Wilson pays him. No, you're not supposed to do all those things. Just give the check to him. Next, refuse to give Wilson the check until Wilson pays him $500. No. No. So let's stick to B. B is the right answer. Okay, fine. Okay, this is a pretty easy question. So let's take it up. Which of the following may not execute a power of attorney? Who may not execute a power of attorney? Okay, all of the above may execute a power of attorney. Okay, let's see. An officer of the corporation having legal authority. An officer, yes, he can endorse, he can execute, a power of attorney. Next, an officer of an association having such authority, obviously he can also do that. Now, a limited partner in the partnership. Okay. A limited partner in the partnership, no, he doesn't have the right, and I believe, many have written the, wrong one. Okay, the officer, they have selected that also. The right answer is a limited partner. Okay, so that's the right answer. So just make sure that you hit the right answer there. Session. So that's it. If you have any questions, thoughts or comments to make this better, please ping in your responses here. I'll be happy to help you. And thank you very much, and please do not forget what I have told you. Please take responsibility. Don't miss out on what we discussed. Take full responsibility. Here, so I wish you good luck. So until we